Good morning. Today it's a beautiful sunny winter morning and it's about 10 o'clock now and the temperature is about 13 degrees Celsius, and we have been getting a few fine days, so I thought I must come out to enjoy the sunshine and to take this video to show you what I've been doing for the last couple of months. I have converted my front garden bed, which was full of daisies, I've dug up and sow some broccoli seeds. Look at this, these are the broccoli and the cauliflowers, the plants that I've been planting for 2 months. And here, this is the Brussels sprouts. And I also sow some spinach, charts, or you can call it silver beet, and perspective spinach over there. I've harvested them a few times and they just taste delicious when it's from your garden. A couple of days ago I saw some spring onions, and this is my original lavender and Russian kale. Russian kale has been here for about 3 months. I've harvested a few times, and I think Russian kale is best eaten when they are young, they're small, and I find that if it's 12-inch long, it's a bit too tough and fibrous. So these are the kohlrabis, I think. Yep. Daisies and some beetroots here. And some spinach here, perspective spinach, and silver beet at the far end. And along the fencing I've sowed some snow peas, and I've converted my jute twine into a put in permanent wire trellis. So it's been a wonderful winter, the rain and sunshine, and it's just wonderful to be living in Perth, Western Australia, and life is so good if you pick up a hobby, and gardening is one of the therapeutic hobby that I've enjoyed for the last 1 year, since my macro photography hobby that I've picked up 5 years ago. And I thought I should add something more productive in my life by growing food. Thanks for watching. This is the before pic of the garden bed before the conversion to a veggie patch, and this is the after photo of the vegetable patch now. Hope you enjoyed my video, and please come back for more updates. Bye for now.